Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. So right now my portfolio is at $44,136.94. Today I'm down $357, that's a 0.8% decline. And you know what? I'm glad that I'm only down 0.8% today, because if you look at where cryptos have been going, my goodness. So Bitcoin, for example, right now it's at 38,000. And yeah, in the past week, it's down 24%. If we look at Dogecoin, right now Dogecoin is at 34 cents. In the past week, it's down 20%. Ethereum, so Ethereum right now is at 2,484. In the past week, it's down 37%. So a lot of the cryptos are getting just absolutely destroyed right now. And I'm not investing in any cryptos right now. I'm fully invested in spreads only. So considering how badly cryptos are crashing, I don't feel that bad anymore, because I know there's a lot of people who actually are heavily invested in crypto. A lot of people bought into the crypto craze, like Dogecoin, SafeMoon. I think there's like Shiba coin or whatever. Like there's a bunch of different cryptos that have been getting pumped up, but now they're crashing. Of course, for the year, they are still up by a lot, right? If we look at Dogecoin, yes, it has crashed from its highs. However, 33 cents, that's a lot higher than where it was a couple months ago, you know? So even though a lot of these cryptos have crashed, overall, they're still up by a lot. So if you were an early investor, like you invested in these early on, you're probably still up by a lot if you held on. But if you bought into these recently, that's pretty damn bad. That sucks. But you know what? It's not just the cryptos, right? Of course, we've experienced 2021 has been just a giant sell-off in a bunch of the popular stocks, especially the ones that I'm invested in. Unfortunately, actually, if you actually invested in the actual index, you would be up for the year. So SPY, yeah. If you invested in SPY, you would actually be up like about 4% in the past 3 months. But if you're picking and choosing specific stocks, a lot of them, especially the very popular ones, have been going down. And the ones that I'm talking about are the ones that were very popular and pumped up during 2020. But in 2021, they have been not doing so well. SPACs, oh my goodness. Right when I decided to start getting into SPACs, they went downhill. Horrible. Sometimes my timing is just so unlucky, you know? Like I feel like I arrived late to the party, because throughout 2020, SPACs were doing super well. But then when I finally decided to start getting into SPACs, that was when the party was already ending. So that was very bad timing on my part. But I don't know if we're going to start recovering from here. There are signs. For example, FTCV. This was actually up today. It looks like a little mountain. Like it went up to like past $11 today, but then it went back down. But considering how badly cryptos are crashing, I feel like I kind of dodged a bullet by staying away from it. I don't feel too tempted to get into that. Although I do have certain prices in my head for when I do want to get in, if they ever reach those prices. For example, if Bitcoin drops to 10,000, I'm going in heavy. I have certain prices in my head for when I want to go in. And I think that we're definitely not at that level yet. Like I said, even though a lot of these cryptos are crashing, even where they're at right now, they're still up big time. If you were an early investor, you would have made a ton of money if you held until now, even after them crashing recently. I don't know. I'm still staying away from now. Even after them crashing, I still don't feel tempted to buy a bunch of Bitcoin or whatever. I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines and wait in terms of the cryptos. But in terms of my spreads, I'm fully invested in spreads right now. I don't have much money on the sidelines at all. My buying power is only $245. So I'm basically fully invested right now. All of my money is fully invested into these spreads. So I got Alibaba, FTCV, that's eToro SPAC, IPOF. There's no news on this yet. That's a Chamath SPAC. Affirm, Bumble, and PSTH. PSTH is the Bill Ackman SPAC. And he said that they're going to announce something soon. A lot of people are waiting for news. That's why it's trading like around 25 right now. But yeah, I'm just hanging on. Today I didn't do anything new or got rid of anything. I just did nothing. It was just another day where I'm just letting it pass by. Right now, I'm in waiting mode again. I'm just waiting for time to pass. The way I make money off of spreads is, well, part of it anyways, is by time passing. So I want time to pass so I get to make some profit off of my spreads. And hopefully things don't crash even further. Like, I would like Affirm and Bumble to stay up here. They're already low considering where they came from. But Affirm, even at the price it is right now, is pretty damn expensive if you consider other buy now pay later services. PayPal, for example, I believe Affirm right now is more expensive than PayPal. But yeah, I might get rid of my Affirm spreads if the price is right, because even though I do love the service, it is expensive right now. So it's not that I don't think that it's a bad idea to invest in Affirm ever, but perhaps right now is not the right time. Maybe I should wait until later. Other than that, I don't really have any strong feelings about anything else in my portfolio. Baba, I'm just waiting for time to pass on. Bumble, I'm waiting for time to pass. I don't feel like they're super expensive to invest in right now. And SPACs I'm not too worried about because they kind of they're trading near their bottoms. So I'm fine with that. I'm just going to sit back and just wait for time to pass. All right, that's pretty much it for my portfolio update. I'll let you guys know if anything big changes or I lose a lot of money, gain a lot of money, whatever. I'll let you guys know. All right, see you guys later. Bye.